minus x minus 15 equals to 0. Okay, the first step I will do is I will use a calculator, okay, to double check, okay, to double check whether I can factorize or not. Okay, right? So set up 5, 2, okay, good. So this is 6 minus 1 minus 15. So basically for quadratic equations, what I need to do is I need to get out my ABC, right? So A is 6, B is minus 1, C is negative 15. So once I key into the calculator and the calculator returns x1 equals to 5 over 3 and x2 is equal to 3 over 2. Okay, so with this, then that means it can be factorized. Okay, because you get fraction, that means it can be factorized. Okay, so when the calculator tells you it cannot be factorized, when you cannot get an answer, or the answer is a non-stop no pattern decimal number, so it can be factorized in this case. So you should factorize. Of course, if you don't factorize, you can use the formula. And formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay? Okay? So that means it can be factorized. So how to factorize? One and 6, okay, then minus 3 and 5 cannot, this combination cannot give you negative x, okay, but this combination can. This will give you 9x. This will give you negative 10x. When you add these two together, negative x. Done, you can. Okay? So therefore, you can factorize this 6x squared minus x minus 15 equals to 0. You can factorize this left hand side into, first bracket is 2x plus 3. Second bracket is 3x minus 5. Simple. Therefore, then you solve this equal to 0. This one you equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
Then you solve it separately. Bring over negative 3. Then the other one is 3x minus 5. Bring over plus 5. Can you see I get the two answers also? Can you see? By factorization. Okay? So that's how you solve your part 1. You can use the formula. I use factorization. Now, part 2. It says hence. Hence, you know what's the meaning of hence? You know what's the meaning of hence? Yes or no? You know what's the meaning of hence? Hence means you need to use the part 1 answer to solve part 2. That's the meaning of hence. Hence means use part 1 answer. So next time if you have 2 parts or 3 parts or 4 parts, if they use hence, they use the word hence, you know what's the meaning? The meaning, use the previous answer to solve. If you use other method, no mark. What's the meaning of hence? What's the meaning of hence? Use previous answer. Okay? So how? So you need to compare your this to this. So you just write it below. Can you see a similarity between these two or not? I see they both have x 6. Okay. I see they both have 15, minus 15, not 15, minus 15. I see they are equal to 0. Okay. So therefore, what I see is the x here is equal to this y minus 3. So therefore you should say by comparison, because they say hence. Hence means I use the part 1 answer. By comparison means I compare this thing to this thing. I see x is equal to y minus 3. Can you see x is equal to y minus 3? Right? So if x is equal to minus 3, and just now the answer is x is equal to negative 3 over 2, x is equal to 5 over 3, right? And x is equal to y minus 3. So therefore, this x is equal to y minus 3. This x is equal to y minus 3. Can you see? So therefore, just do from here. Just move it up. Okay, so y minus 3 is equal to this negative 3 over 2. And this is y minus 3 is equal to the 5 over 3. So for this is y equals to 5 over 3. Move the minus 3 over, becomes plus 3. So just use your calculator, you get answer for y. For this one, similarly, minus 3, move it over. This will give you another answer. Clear? So that's how you get the value of y using hence. Okay? Yeah, that's how you solve this.